Hey guys, my name is Alan, and today we will be using Tinkercad to make changes to the clock faces for our project. So the first thing you will notice when you open Tinkercad is every single one of you will have a clock face template with your name on it. Mine here, right here, is Alan Dratuski. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, but I'd like you to find the one that has your name on it and click it specifically. When you find your name on it, click the image, and then once it's loaded, we're going to go ahead and click Tinker this. So the first thing you'll notice is our face is blank. It's loaded into Tinkercad. We can hold the right mouse button down and move the mouse to sort of look around with the camera. So in order to make any changes on this clock face, the first thing we will need to do is tell Tinkercad that we want to model and make any changes on top of this clock face. In order to do that, we will have to select the top of it by selecting work plane from the top right corner. So I want you to move the mouse and clicking work plane once with the mouse and then bring it back. You guys will notice a box with an arrow on top. I want you to bring the box with the arrow on top anywhere on top of your clock face. When you see this, click once. You'll notice now that the work plane is on top of our clock face, and we can now make changes. You are free to make any details you'd like, but for this demonstration, I'm simply going to add numbers. To do that, I'm going to go on the right side under Basic Shapes. I'm going to click Text once. I'm going to bring it back, and I'm going to roughly place it on the top of my clock face. On the right here, we have this box that appears that lets us make changes to what we want this to read. So I'm going to highlight text. I'm simply going to do 12 on the keyboard. So now we have our number 12 for the top of our clock. You can make changes to the 12 by grabbing the white squares and dragging them to either make it larger or smaller, and the top square to make it shorter or taller. I can do the same on the right. I can do the same on the bottom. And I can do the same on the left side. Now again, you are free to do whatever you'd like. I'm just showing you this as an example. And that concludes this simple tutorial. When you feel that you have made enough changes to your face and you are satisfied, go ahead and click Tinkercad on the top left corner. This will save your work and allow us to print it for you. That concludes this tutorial.